Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Spanish Spot, where we make learning Spanish easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a super important verb, tener, which means to have. But here's the cool part. In Spanish, tener is not only about having things. Sometimes we use it where in English you'd use to be. Let's look at the conjugation of tener. Yo tengo, I have. Tú tienes, you have, informal. Él, ella, usted tiene, he, she, you, formal have. Nosotros, nosotras tenemos, we have. Vosotros, vosotras tenéis, you all have, only in Spain. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen, they, you all have. Easy, right? Now let's see how Spanish and English are different with this verb. In English, you say, I am 15 years old. But in Spanish, we don't use ser or a star here. We say, yo tengo 15 años, literally, I have 15 years. Let's try more examples. I am hungry. In Spanish, yo tengo hambre. Literal translation, I have hunger. I am thirsty. Yo tengo sed. She is cold. Ella tiene frío. We are hot. Nosotros tenemos calor. They are afraid. Ellos tienen miedo. You are in a hurry. Tú tienes prisa. Notice something? In English, you use to be. I am hungry. She is cold. They are afraid. But in Spanish, we use tener. So if you want to sound natural in Spanish, don't say yo soy hambre. Say yo tengo hambre. Quick recap. Tener equals to have, but we also use it instead of to be in expressions about age, hunger, thirst, fear, heat, cold, and more. And that's temer. Thanks for watching the Spanish Spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's learning Spanish. Hasta luego.